Hey, this is Chris, and I'm down on a project that we're doing down here in Wildomar. Where is Wildomar? Well, it's between Temecula and Corona and just next to Menifee. And this project is probably the largest project in scale that we've been involved with. It spans 4 miles, and it's a multi-purpose horse, biking, jogging, pedestrian trail. And the primary reason we're involved in it is our 1/4-inch gold decomposed granite. So what we had to do is we had to submit what's called a sieve analysis. And a sieve analysis is how much of this stuff will pass through screens of different sizes. And our DG, our 1/4-inch gold, Pyrite Gold DG, turned out to have the best sieve test. It didn't influence us in what DG we provided. We just left that up to the engineers. They wanted a material that would not be running off in the streets when it got wet. And therein lies the argument against crushed stone fines like California Gold, Navajo Gold, many of these other products that are not true decomposed granite. They contain so many fines that when they get wet, they become slick and more of a physical hazard than anything else. So this project involves nearly 4,000 tons of stabilized DG. Yes, I know, I'm a rant and rail against stabilized DG, but in this case it is one of those exceptions where it makes sense because it's being treated as kind of a semi-utility road and compacted down with professional compaction equipment. The material that we're using, DG binder, is being mixed into the pug mill, so it meets all the professional standards. And as you can see, the first part of this is about halfway done. It's spread out. Now the pavement compactor has to go over it and has to be finished off. So the first part of 4 miles, I'm going to go and capture a bunch of other video segments of what's going on in the different portions of this.